In this video, you'll learn all about Facebook video retargeting, including how to create video retargeting audiences and a simple yet effective video marketing funnel that you can use for future campaigns. And that's coming right up. Hi everyone, I'm Carl. Welcome to Next Level Video Marketing, a channel where you get the latest strategies and tips to help you achieve your marketing and business goals through video. Now remember, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to learn more about maximizing the impact of your video, hit the subscription button below, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. Facebook retargeting can be an effective way to reach your marketing goals, even more so with video. I've used Facebook video retargeting to generate high quality leads that have led to significant amounts of revenue and sales, both in a B2B and B2C setting. There's two reasons why this works. One is because it warms up the audience with an educational video that addresses the problems and answers the questions of your customer. And two, you retarget the audiences that have watched your video because they've shown that they have the problem that your product or service can address. So today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook video retargeting campaign. But before we do that, we need a video campaign to retarget off of and a simple yet effective video marketing funnel that you can use for your future campaigns to generate leads, sales, revenue, brand awareness, and so on. So the first thing is creating a video campaign. It's really simple. The campaign objective that we want is video views. I would suggest you use campaign budget optimization, but it all depends on how confident you are working with your budgets. So I would put mine on. Put your daily or lifetime budgets. So when you're targeting your audiences, regardless of whether you're targeting demographics, behavior, or interest-based, what you're looking to do is to try to get as many people as possible to watch this video, because you need as many people as possible to watch that you can retarget off of. But my suggestion would be at least 100,000 people for your audience size at the minimum, but definitely more. I also recommend automatic placements unless you're very specific, but usually Facebook has a pretty good idea where to show your videos. So moving on, this is where you add your video, your captions, your thumbnails. As you can see, I'm uploading a video here. So this is where you put your headline, your ad copy, and any additional information that you want to surround the ad with. So once you've uploaded or selected your video, you can now edit it. And this is where you can crop, trim, add thumbnails, add captions, as well as resize them to fit the channel like Instagram stories or regular Instagram or so on. So once your video ad campaign is completed, this is where you can create a custom audience for all the people who watch the video. You'd go to your audiences, create new audience, this custom audience, video view. So this is where you can select the level of engagement, whether it's 3 seconds, 10 seconds, at least 25% to 95% of your video. For here, let's select 50%. And then this is where you can choose the video. So let's choose one, for example, this one. And then usually I go as far back as possible. The maximum day is 365. So you most likely ran your campaign anywhere between 2 weeks to 4 months, but I just go at maximum as possible. Let's call this test. And that's your audience. Now, Facebook will see if you want to create a lookalike audience off it. So something like expand your audience and then create a lookalike off it. Today, we're not going to, but this is another good opportunity to target those who have the same profile as those who watched. Now, it'll take a little bit of time to populate this audience. So this is why you get as many people as possible to watch your video, so you have a greater audience size to retarget off of. So now you're ready to create Facebook retargeting ads off video views. We can even create another video view campaign, but focused on just the people who watched your previous video. So we can do that. And when you want to create a brand new audience, you can just use a custom audience that you created. And there it is. So I'm going to show you a very easy Facebook video marketing funnel that you can use for future campaigns. And the easiest way to do this is with 2 video ads. So for the first ad, you want to create an educational video, one that answers the questions and addresses the problems of your potential customers. Your campaign objective is video views because you want people to watch this video, and your targeting is as many people as possible to watch. That includes interest audiences, lookalike audiences, former custom audiences, doesn't matter. What you want to do is create an audience size of 100,000 or more, as many people as possible to watch your video ad. So you want to run this ad anywhere between 3 weeks all the way to 2 months. Obviously depends on the length of your campaign. And for budgets, I would target anywhere between 50 to 60% of your total campaign budget. For the second ad, this is where you create a video that promotes your product, your service, maybe a video demo, case study, or testimonial. So this is where you can optimize for conversions, whether converting on a landing page or a demo page, or driving traffic to your product pages. So for targeting, this is where all those people people who watch your previous video becomes important because you want to create a custom audience of all those people who watch 50% or more of your previous video. You can be pretty confident that they have the problem or issue that your product or service can address, which makes your second video that much more effective. So the question of the day I have for you is, have you used Facebook video retargeting? How has it worked? Do you have any other tips to share? Let me know in the comment section below. Facebook video retargeting is just one tool in your entire video marketing arsenal. If you want to learn more about creating an effective video marketing strategy, you've got to watch this playlist here, as well as other video marketing tactics right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.